no court can say it will not operate retrospectively. It is your lordships who can clarify. Therefore, this application has to by your lordships.
No, high courts have decided.
High courts have no option.
Have decided.
How can the High Court say? High Court has no option. High
Courts have followed a law.
Yes, that's right. That's right. No option. High Court will follow. It's only your lordships which can take a view whether the earlier appointments are to be protected. It's only for your lordships.
Part 10 of your lordship's judgment says, if I may read that out,
Like this.
during the course of hearing, the court had passed an order dated 24 August 22, granting liberty to the Board of Secondary Education state and other stakeholders pleaded as interest. Pursuant to this order, several statutory applications were filed which are being heard along with these appeals. Now, the MP had come, several states had come. Your lordships decided to take the facts and the of Rajasthan because Rajasthan was the High Court judgment which again the SLP was. But this applied across the board. Your lordships rejected applications which have been filed for other states, even in a 3-judge committee.
11th of January. Matter through because he'll bully.
No, I will.
21.
Yes.
Yes. My lord, High Court in
The
judgment
case
has
which has been
actually
decided.
held. High Court's judgment actually holds it from Rajasthan High Court. My lord, the other that I really wish to.
Last order.
Yes. Therefore, kindly see
While past
kindly see the last order.
3324. May I hand over the last order, Lordships? 13.
That's what we are correct.
Can you give us a state-wise chart?
Yeah, that's
Yes,
what.
Your
Now,
Lordship.
one second. Now, please. Now we have whether there is a
Time for writing letter. Can you give us by tomorrow?
by tomorrow it will be extremely difficult. We have to states have to reply because it's a huge exercise they have to undertake and we have to comply it.
Simple exercise that.
No, but we have.
Help me take a very simple exercise.
That's the simplest. The best is.
No, Mr. Shankar, no, it's my turn. I did not interrupt. Please wait. Please wait. Now we have written letter. We have been getting some information. I think within the vacancy position each and also whether the bridge course could be done or not. All those informations have been sought. I think
Lordship.
we'll be able to compile it. Number two.
Lordship,
Number one.
lost
the
arguments,
one
we have
second,
a
madam.
judgment finally.
It's not your matter. No, I am submitting.
No, how many people were in on the date of
Rajasthan, correct.
judgment, before our judgment
You will be defeated.
and subsequent to our judgment?
That's right. Three situations.
Three stages.
Three situations.
There is one important point. What Mr. Dwivedi is saying. Just 1 minute. On 7th December 2023, a question was asked in the Lok Sabha as to what is the vacancy position in the elementary teachers of elementary teachers in the whole country. That question was answered, my lord, by the Minister of Education. Now we have the answer with us. As per that answer, as on 4th December 2023, there are 7,22,385 vacancies all over the country, and the chart is there
These vacancies have to be filled up by
by
our judgment.
DElED.
Yes.
So there are over 7 lakh vacancies.
That has no.
There are over 7 lakh vacancies today, as per the answer to this question
No doubt on
given
that.
on 4th December 2023.
The
Now,
doubt
how many
last
posts
year,
have been filled up earlier? That chart can be given in 1 or 2 days.
whether it would be, whether, first of all, any protection would be given to those already appointed?
Correct.
And if yes, should we make the Rajasthan High Court judgment the pegging date or our judgment? The
Why Rajasthan should not be made? One simple thing. Other high courts took the reverse view. Himachal, after considering everything, took the reverse view. Bengal, I can't go on like this. It's not that only they have to be heard.
We want to examine the problem today from these three perspectives.
The first perspective is answered, my lord, that they should not be.
Allow us, we are the applicants. We will take half an hour, allow us to finish and then they will respond. That's all.
Your lordship.
We know the argument.
I
All
would suggest your lordship limit it to Madhya Pradesh who has the MA here.
I would agree with Mr. Sankar.
Madhya Pradesh. The others have all been decided.
Otherwise, people will.
The law has to be laid down for the whole country. There can be no limit to interpretation of law.
Lordships in,
Judgment.
On law is concerned, we have already laid out.
No, but
Yes.
your lordship will equally say in the judgment. Let me tell your lordships.
Law is very clear.
No, I am saying
Because this is all on,
Equity.
equity.
Equity,
So,
lordship.
so therefore,
मर गया बचा लो type.
हाँ वही.
Lordship.
But हर state में मरा है sir. So
Lordships after your lordship's judgment.
Even-
Uttar Pradesh,
even-
they have it's the same
Even to
situation
add
as-
to the final judgment, there was an order that everything will be subject to the final outcome of this writ petition. After our judgment, somebody has been taken in.
there's no question. He has to go.
So lordships, before your lordship's judgment, I'm talking of before your lordship.
For your aspect of Bihar and Milords invalidated all the appointments. Kindly have a look at that order, Milord. So that question really doesn't come. Please hand over that order. Just have
They were
all
not
the subsequent.
appointed.
Kindly see
They
that,
were
Milord.
not people who were appointed.
Milords, kindly see that, Milord.
No appointment had taken.
Please have a look at Milord's page 15.
Three-judge bench of this court.
Yes, Milord. Milords, kindly have a look at page 15. So therefore that question, Milords, may not be gone into. Kindly have a look at page 15.
This court.
Yes, Milord. Kindly have a look at page 15, Milord.
It's not a very.
Milords, kindly have a look at page first 17,
had taken place.
first 17, my lord. This is the order. It's presided by Honorable Justice Bose, my lord, three-judge bench, and the order is at page 15. And place it, my lord. The present petition has been instituted by the petitioner seeking invalidation notification issued by the NC. So, now, my lords, indication details are given. Now, kindly see the second paragraph. In the judgment of this court, in so and so, the said notification has been directed by to be quashed. Then, my lords, page 16.
All right, so the notification was, BF was qualified.
Yes, my lord. Now, kindly see, my
All
lord.
right, so this court relying upon.
Now, kindly see page 16, my lord. Consequently, advertisement and other subsequent steps taken pursuance thereof shall also stand invalidated. So, all the appointments have been invalidated.
There
When
was
is the
not a
question
single
of taking?
appointment. What is my friend saying? Not a single appointment had taken place.
Pursuant to 2018. Pursuant to 2018.
Correct. All the subsequent steps have been directed to be invalidated, my lord.
Subsequent.
Where is?
Yes, 2018.
2018. Where is the question of carving out a separate category for MP?
My lords,
No
MP makes.
appointments had taken place.
Lords, what your lordship said, that whatever, my lord, steps
But
were
appointment-
undertaken.
Let us go step by
Yes,
step.
my lord.
Notification was there, there was no appointment.
Yes.
So here, there is,
Yes.
nobody has.
Lord, as far as
No, not a single appointment. Please don't make a wrong statement. Not a single appointment had been
Lord,
made.
as far as appointments are concerned,
All right, you make your point in half an hour, we give half an hour to them and then we'll close it. Take half an hour,
All right.
whatever you want to say.
FPS.
Would your lordships limit it to Madhya Pradesh?
Tell him.
Because otherwise, right
Your
now.
lordships, there are other
applicants
issues.
in the entire country.
I am from Uttar Pradesh, your
They are
lordship. Mine is
speaking for entire country. We also
But my
speak
lords,
for
the
entire country.
judgments,
That's-
my lords, what happens then to
Because
the
lordships,
judge?
by the next time you'll have more applications. Right now, 1,000
Can't be
applicants.
later.
So that-
For the country you also speak.
Lord, your
for the original petition before the Rajasthan High Court.
You'll file that.
The B.ed candidates were kept out of the merit list pursuant to the judgment of the Rajasthan High Court, which is what your lordships had upheld. You were also impleaded. If my lords are considering anything outside the state of MP, then kindly give us the opportunity to file the reply also.
Lordships, identical
Because
situation.
ultimately, having won twice over, my lords, before the High Court as well as before your lordship, then ultimately.
We'll only after hearing both sides, we'll.
No, I agree.
MP
But what I'm saying is, if your lordships are hearing at all the issue outside the
Say
MP,
that when we do that, right, so we keep quiet.
very well, my lords. I'm just indicating that.
Instead of, before getting into all these
Yes, what
issues,
if
the information,
Reach that stage and you're already arguing like that. If you do that, do this.
No, my lords, I'm only.
before getting into all these controversies on the legal issues, I pointed out or as observed by some last occasion, he stated the position of vacancies as well as the possibility of conducting the bridge. That we will get information within, at the earliest within 4 days or within a week, we'll try to get information so that we can put fight us to the entire issue. We can safeguard the entire parties. Practical
But you'll only give us figure.
figure, yes, that's right.
Say they have, let us say 5,000.
Yes.
There may be 6,000, maybe
Correct.
4,000.
Correct.
What will it make?
It's ultimately in the future, this one we can accommodate somebody. Numbers will be there. There'll
We
be
will get some.
some idea. Yes. Yes.
That we have
My
got
lords,
7,000.
Let us,
Lords,
let us
that-
also give the figures of the appointed.
Yes.
Only the state.
The impact would be,
Let it be
My
tomorrow,
lords,
Friday,
may I-
appointed figures also.
May I give
Lot-
a vision there on the numbers? Because numbers, figures will not make a difference.
Yes.
Let me point out why I say so. Today, so far as the DElED are concerned, a large number of them who are today eligible to be appointed may not become eligible because of overage and other factors.
That's it. They don't have anything available.
that's right. I think what is running in the mind of the court.
Yes.
That's
No, fair enough, fair enough.
Lordships, one submit, if you're deciding it, Lordships ask this because I'm the president. Lordships. Because they have conducted.
Clarify our judgment.
Lordships.
Clarify.
Yes, yes.
You feel there's nothing to clarify?
Whether something more to be added.
Three high courts have taken the same position, nothing to clarify. Your lordship is clear.
One submissions your
We are trying to bring a solution to a
No, I
problem.
understand.
that's right.
You people are trying to create a problem out of a solution.
Not us, we are the respondents.
But not every,
There are
Party to it.
eight MAs have been dismissed. This is the ninth.
let
Just
us,
1 minute, is there a bench? Monday at 2. Monday at
Monday.
2.
very good, very good, very good.
But by Friday.
I'll try to get it. I'll try.
So far Bengal is concerned, Malad, we have the data. 7,000 and odd have been appointed.
Concerned with the data.
Here candidates,
We are
Malad.
concerned with the rights.
Malad, the rights, if you lost, kindly lost.
Lordship,
Said it.
Rights.
We have candidates. No, because we moved it first, d.el.ed candidates.
He's,
d.el.ed, Malad, I tell you also, if they are ineligible,
Friday at
Monday.
Monday.
Shiksha also.
Council for the parties.
My lords, at least the vacancy, whatever they want to say must be as per the advertisement.
Hearing at present for the state of.
Whatever the vacancies as per the date of the advertisement.
Instruction as regards.
It has to be.
Previous direction. Vacancy position of.
As
regards the last
vacancy
order.
position, in terms of our last order.
Correct, correct.
Kindly permit the Shiksha Mitra because they are also.
Vacancy position as per the advertisements given by the individual states.
That's right.
Union federations.
Lordship, state, just a minute. The state of UP is not there. Lordship, may permit me, I'm for UP Shiksha Mitra Association, 1,50,000 people.
There.
Lordships, and Lordship, we have.
Those are duly qualified and well-trained teachers, my lord.
Shiksha Mitra, what is Shiksha Mitra doing now?
No,
Lordship,
they are entitled for that. Their
Lordships, we were eligible.
Unlawful.
Now, because of b.ed, we have been excluded. So this is the position.
Yes.
We were
my lord.
working.
That's why Lordship have
It's
issued
a terrible situation for us, your lordship.
That's reet petition.
My lords, they acquired qualification appropriate to my lord's orders. Though Shiksha Mitra had to acquire
That
qualification.
reet petition may also be listed on that table, not those related to Shiksha Mitra. Lordship have issued notice in that.
See, there is
No, because that is the, because.
so many arguments need not be there.
Because
So far as
separate
position of law is concerned, we have.
Lordships, I agree.
Whether to make some concession or not, that's what.
Lordships, my only,
we will suffer.
Lord-
May I be
lordship,
May I be excused?
Just a minute.
Yes. we are excusing ourselves.
No, your lordship, one more data would be very relevant.
It's the paper.
My lord, your lordship, one
Intervention petitions may be allowed.
my lord, one more data would be,
We hear that date, whatever.
my lord, one more data will be more relevant.
Milord, all-
How many candidates, B.ed candidates have been appointed, and for them, how many DL and DLED?
All observed Shiksha Mitras, my lord,
Nothing would be.
Because
are duly-
they have been deprived of.
My lords, there is an application pertaining to Bihar that may also be taken up on Monday. It was filed today morning, my lord.
Individual applications.
Yes,
So it
have
have
no
been-
value.
My Lord Justice Dhulia may note
My lord, let it
that
come
the
then.
hearing this time was way more pleasant than it was last.
Yeah.
It may pertain-
Lordship,
Milord-
maybe it's the women power here because of that.
My lord,
You're not aware about what happened last time.
May